Say you want to transfer few files with someone sitting right beside you and you don't have a USB flash storage. But fortunately, both computers are connected with the same Wi-Fi network. So what is the best way to transfer files? Well, let's find out. Hi there, this is Mina once again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to wirelessly transfer files between two computers. Only requirement is both computers should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now I know there are already many tutorials on that, but the beauty of this workaround is you don't have to play with any network settings. All you have to do is install a small app on both computers and then drag and drop files there, and it will magically appear in the other one. Now, before we get started with the actual tutorial, let's take a look at some of alternatives so that we will have a crystal clear idea of what's going on. Okay, so there are a couple of ways to share files between two computers over Wi-Fi, like the popular Share It app from Lenovo. But the problem with that is, although it is free, it does collect anonymous data, and also Lenovo has a long history of not respecting users' privacy. But that's not the only thing. With Share It app, you cannot transfer files between PC and Mac, and there are other alternatives like folder transfer and file transfer for Windows, but they have a similar problem. Either they are paid or they only support PC to PC transfer. But for this instance, we are going to use AnySend app. It is free, completely cross-platform, that is you can share data between PC, Mac, Android, iOS, everything you want over Wi-Fi, no internet connection needed. So let's see how it works. For this instance, I will share data between my ThinkPad laptop and the iMac running Windows and Mac OS on dual boot. By the way, I just bought this ThinkPad yesterday, and so far it has been pretty good, kind of like a Windows version of MacBook Pro. Okay, now let's come to the point and download AnySend from its official website. Now there are two versions of AnySend and both of them do same thing but differently. You need to download it from the website called getanySend.com. The other software needs internet access to work. So go ahead and install the software on your operating system. For this instance, I am using a Windows computer, so I will download the Windows version. Next, run the setup and install the software just like you install any other Windows software. Though make sure you run the right version, that is, if you're having a 64-bit computer, then run the x64 version. Also, sometimes Windows might detect it as a malware, but it is just a case of false positive. Simply click on more info and select run anyway. You will notice that the software will also install a package called Bonjour SDK. And well, this is needed to make some network connection, so allow that. And then allow the access to the firewall so that it can make the connection right. Now once you're done installing the software, you won't see any AnySend interface because it don't have any. But if you go to your Windows taskbar and click on the small arrow which says show hidden icons, you will find AnySend there. So one is your computer and the other one is the second computer that is running AnySend software. Now let's go to the second computer and install AnySend just like we installed it on the first one. I'm not going to show you the steps because they are the same that we did in the first one. Now let's transfer some files and see how much speed do you get. So to do that, copy any file on your clipboard, then go to AnySend icon and click on the computer that you want to transfer to. The second computer will get a pop-up asking for confirmation. Allow that, and AnySend will start transferring files over your Wi-Fi. But how much speed will you get? Well, that depends on your router speed. So if your router supports maximum 21 Mbps, which most home router do, then you will get around 21 divided by 8. That is around 2 to 3 Mbps transfer speed. But why are we dividing it by 8? Well, that's because of the difference between Mbps with capital B and Mbps of small b. Now I won't get into much details, but most routers or companies use Mbps with small b for marketing gimmicks. And the transfer speed that we relate with is Mbps with capital B. In a nutshell, you can send a 1 GB movie file in 4 to 5 minutes. But that's not all. You can also use AnySend to share files between PC and Mac. So let's see how to do that. Though on your Mac you will have to buy AnySend for $5. So in PC to PC AnySend is free, but on PC to Mac you will have to buy $5 version. And the method is same, that is copy something on your clipboard and then transfer it, and there we go. So overall I am using AnySend for quite some time and it's worked like a charm. But sometimes AnySend does not get detected on Windows computer. So in that case you can restart your system or use Share It for file transfer. That works pretty well. It's just that it has some privacy concerns. Anyway, I will leave the link of both software in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Well, this is all for now. Like always, give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful and check out the description for all the useful resources. And yes, if you haven't already noticed, I make a lot of videos on home networking. So if you like this video, chances are you will like them as well. So be sure to check out my playlist on home networking. So that's it for now. This is Kunal signing off, and like always, thank you for watching.